Hello, my name is Dan, and I'm the founder of Coil. As you know, bicycles are an older technology that, as it's continuing to evolve, it's also continuing to provide us with a healthy and environmentally friendly form of transportation. Bicycle helmets are a 40-year-old technology of plastic and foam that continue to keep us safe, but they don't provide us with anything that's environmentally friendly, and we want to offer an alternative to that.
Virtually all helmets are made overseas with foreign oil-based plastic and foam, are not recyclable, and usually end up in the landfill.
So this is the styrofoam helmet of yesteryear, and this is the styrofoam helmet of today. And as you can see, they haven't changed a whole lot.
In conjunction with Oregon State University's Wood Science and Engineering Department, we performed extensive impact tests and concluded that certain woods performed better than plastic shells for absorbing impact. We then took our natural fiber helmet system to a CPSC accredited laboratory and had them tested for impact and harness safety. They performed even better than we'd hoped for. Our helmets met or exceeded the bicycle safety standards for all tests we performed, and we're eager to keep developing and testing our helmets. Treepiece is the only line of helmets that offers a fully custom option. You decide the exact size, shape, and materials for your helmet, and we build it.
So this is my dream. So this is our dream. So this is my dream. It's to bring the first natural fiber protective helmet that's sustainably built to the world. And to do that, it turns out it's crazy expensive. I've used up all my money, and I've used money from friends and family members to get to the point where we're at right now. We need precision equipment that's going to make it possible for us to ramp up our production capacity. And that's where you come in. With your support and your belief in this project and your funding, we're going to be able to take this idea and this dream, we're going to be able to bring it to the world. We want you to be part of our start. Thanks so much.
Well, that's it. But if you'd like to learn more, keep watching.
So I just want to talk a little bit about why we do what we do and how we do it. We replace the hard plastic of typical helmets with wood that we harvest sustainably from salvaged woods in Oregon. And the reason that we do that, aside from it being cooler and prettier and all those things and more sustainable, is that wood, in the testing that we've done, has shown its ability to crush and crack and deform in ways that hard plastics can't. And when it does that, it absorbs energy of the impact, and it keeps that energy from being transferred to your head. Hard plastics tend to transfer all the energy that hits them straight through to the foam underneath. And in a typical bicycle helmet, you rely almost 100% on the foam underneath the plastic to do all the work in an accident. So the wood shell actually helps our helmets perform a little bit better. What we do with the foam is we replace it with cork, and we don't do that just because cork's a responsibly harvested, renewable natural material. Cork absorbs energy in the same ways and at the same levels as styrofoam does, and that's been borne out in the testing that we've done in using these two natural materials to make a helmet. Finally, we accentuate the performance of the helmets by adding a product called polyurea. It was developed in part for the military. They spray it on their vehicles so that in the event of an explosion or an attack, the vehicle doesn't turn into a bunch of shrapnel. And what it does for our helmets is that in the event of an accident, the wood can continue to crush and crack and absorb energy, thereby saving your head, but it doesn't fragment the wood. It can still stay in one piece.
And that's it. Thanks for watching.
So this is my dream.